Warm greetings to all my students of grade 5. Today we are going to see a new chapter from your science book, and the name of the chapter is Rocks and Minerals. In this lesson we are going to see in detail about the types of rocks. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize that rocks are made of minerals. You will be able to identify the ways by which rocks are formed and also describe the various ways in which the rocks are useful to us. What is Earth made of? It is made of soil and rocks. However, deep inside the earth, it is mostly rocks. Minerals are considered to be the building blocks of rocks. If you look at a piece of rock with a magnifying glass, you will see that it is made up of small grains called minerals. Each rock may have one or more minerals of different colors. The rocks on the Earth's crust can be divided into three main types based on how they are formed. They are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Now let us see in detail about igneous rocks and what are the various types of rocks which comes under this group. Igneous rocks. Deep inside the earth, the temperature is so high that rocks melt. This molten material is known as magma. The magma gets pushed upwards towards the surface of the earth, where it cools to form solid rocks again. These rocks are known as igneous rocks. It can also be known as fiery rocks. Granites usually comes under the igneous rocks category. It is formed when the magma cools slowly under the surface of the earth. It is very hard and forms large grains. It is usually made of three main minerals called as feldspar, quartz and mica. It usually occurs in various colors such as grey, pink, white or black. It is commonly used in buildings as well as in construction of statues. Basalt is a very fine-grained and glassy igneous rock. It is formed when the volcanic lava cools very fast. It is usually dark in color and mostly used for construction purposes. Obsidian rock. It is usually dark colored igneous rocks that is formed when the magma cools quickly. When it is broken, it forms sharp edges, and ancient humans used obsidian rocks to make tools. Pumice is a very light colored igneous rock that forms when frothy lava cools quickly on the earth's surface. It is therefore looks like a sponge with holes or pockets in it because as this rock cools, the gases in the froth remain trapped inside. So, the pumice rock is used as a body scrubber. It is also used to polish furnitures and floors. Now, Let us see to the next group of rocks called as the sedimentary rocks. Usually these rocks are formed from the older rocks that have been broken into tiny fragments. Wind and rain carry these tiny bits of rocks to rivers, lakes and seas, where they sink to the bottom and form layers called sediments. And over millions of years later, these layers are turned into rocks. Such rocks are known as sedimentary rocks. Sandstone comes under the sedimentary rock category. It is usually formed when the grains of sand get compressed and cemented together. It is commonly used in constructing buildings. The most common mineral which you can see in sandstone is quartz. A red fort found in Delhi is made of red sandstone. Shale is usually formed when layers of clay and silt hardens. It is smooth and mostly used to make cement, tiles and bricks. Conglomerate looks like pebbles cemented together with minerals. They are formed when lower layers of sediments consist of pebbles and sand. Limestone. It is mainly made up of a mineral called calcite. The calcite is formed from the shells and the skeletons of tiny sea animals. Chalk is a kind of limestone. Limestone is used to make cement and bricks. The next category of rocks are metamorphic rocks. Usually, they are formed when they undergo some changes. They are usually sedimentary or igneous rocks. Deep inside the earth, the temperature and the pressure cause changes to their minerals. These changes make their appearance to be tougher and harder. Marble is formed when limestone undergoes changes. It can be polished easily and it is available in white, grey, pink, green and even black in color. It is used to make statues and tiles. The famous Taj Mahal in Agra is made of white marble. Quartzite is formed from sandstone. It is very hard and tough. It is usually used to make statues, monuments, and also used in jewelry. Slate is formed from shale. It splits easily into thin sheets. It is found in many colors. It is used to make writing slates, blackboards, and roof tiles of buildings. Gneiss is formed from granite. It is a very coarse, grained, and has irregular bands of different colors. It often glitters because it contains a shiny mineral called mica. Here are few examples of various types of rocks for your reference. Hope you enjoyed the lesson and gained knowledge about various types of rocks. Thank you.